Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Game of Gadgets. In this video we will take a look at Redmi Note 8 Pro and will dive into its specifications. First of all, let's have a look at the packaging. On the front of the box there is a photo of Redmi Note 8 Pro with an MI India branding on the top left corner. On the bottom, it states that it has 64 megapixel AI quad camera. On the side of the box, there is a Redmi Note 8 Pro branding along with Alexa built-in, as this device has built-in Alexa support. By the way, Redmi Note 8 Pro comes in around 15 to 18,000 Indian rupees based on which variant you select. Well, on the back side of the box, there is a specification of Redmi Note 8 Pro which says that it has 4500 mAh battery with 18 watt fast charging support. Also, Note 8 Pro comes with 64 megapixel AI quad camera array setup and it runs on Mediatek Helio G90T octa-core CPU, which has 2 cores of A76 Cortex and 6 cores of A55 Cortex. Furthermore, it has a Mali G76 GPU that runs at 800 MHz. Talking about variants, Xiaomi offers 3 different variants which include 6 GB of RAM with 64 GB of internal memory. Another is 6 GB of RAM with 120. Here the RAM used is LPDDR4 which gives 2133 MHz dual channel. And the memory, it is a UFS 2.1 flash storage. Inside the box we get SIM ejector tool along with warranty guide and user manuals. Here is the protective case of Redmi Note 8 Pro which is also a part of the packaging. Now comes the quad camera beast, but we will talk about it later. Let's explore what's more inside this box. Well, here's the Type-C USB cable with 18 watt charger that comes with this unit itself. Moving on to the handset, Redmi Note 8 Pro has a dual Corning Gorilla Glass 5 along with this beautiful aura design on the back. Moreover, it has splash-proof design which is protected by P2I. That means it has a nano-level water repellent on the body. This is a shadow black color variant. Other color variants includes hello white, electric blue and gamma green. Let's have a look at beautifully set up 64 megapixel AI quad camera array. Here's the 64 megapixel lens with an aperture of 1.9, then probably 8 megapixel ultra wide lens with 128 degree wide angle. After that maybe a depth sensor of 2 megapixel and then there is a fingerprint sensor, and here it says 64 megapixel AI super camera, and on the side there is a dual LED flash, and down here would be the macro lens of 2 megapixel which offers up to 2 cm close-up focus. Enough of the camera, let's have a look at the physical overview of this device. Here are volume rockers just above the power on-off button. At the bottom there is a speaker ventilation and USB Type-C port. Besides it there is a 3.5 mm jack. And here are the 2 slots for SIM card and a dedicated memory card slot which supports up to 512 GB storage SD cards. On the front side, just above the display, on the top there is front camera of 20 megapixel. Above that there is a speaker, and on top we have air blaster and secondary noise cancellation microphone. By the time I remove stickers, let's talk about some other specifications of this device. Well, it has a 6.53-inch dot-notch IPS LCD with HDR enabled, offering 500 nits of brightness, providing Full HD plus resolution. Also, screen to body ratio is 91.4%. And here's the Redmi branding on the back. Underneath, it has a liquid cool technology, providing 4 degrees Celsius to 6 degrees Celsius coolness to Mediatek G90 CPU, which allows games to load faster and run smoothly for 10 hours non-stop, as it has 4500 mAh battery. Note 8 Pro comes with MIUI 10 on top of Android 9. Let's explore more about this camera of this device. Well, it offers 4K recording and slow-mo at 960 fps along with photo resolution up to 8K, as well as it has 10x digital zoom. Both rear and front camera offers portrait mode and scene detection. Well, that's all for this Redmi Note 8 Pro, and here we comes at the end of this video. Well, comment down what you think about this smartphone and what other smartphones and other gadgets you want me to unbox in my next video. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Peace.